Welcome to our exploration of artificial intelligence in security and risk management. Are you ready to discover how AI redefines safety in our digital world? In recent years, security operations have transformed significantly. We've shifted from basic defenses to sophisticated, autonomous systems. Early strategies relied on firewalls and antivirus software. But as threats evolved, traditional methods struggled to keep up. Now, AI agents are revolutionizing threat detection and risk management. These autonomous entities analyze data, assess risks, and take protective actions. Their capabilities focus on three main functions: perception, reasoning, and action. Let's break it down. First, perception gathers diverse data streams like telemetry and threat intelligence. Next, reasoning applies analytical models to predict potential threats. Lastly, action allows AI to send alerts or enforce policies to counter risks. Several market drivers push the adoption of AI agents. The increasing complexity of cyber threats and talent shortages in the cybersecurity field demand quick, effective solutions. Additionally, regulatory pressures for continuous monitoring amplify the need for AI technologies. However, the landscape presents challenges. Organizations often face data overload, alert fatigue, and the need to comply with numerous regulations. Yet by utilizing AI agents, companies can streamline security processes and remain resilient against evolving threats. One remarkable application of AI is in threat detection. These agents analyze patterns and use predictive analytics to anticipate security incidents. They process large volumes of data, identifying anomalies that indicate risks. This empowers security teams to act swiftly and effectively. In rapidly changing environments like remote work or IoT integration, traditional security measures can fail. New AI solutions, such as automated incident response agents, adapt swiftly, ensuring timely and effective security practices. Real-world applications demonstrate how companies such as IBM and Palo Alto Networks integrate AI into their security protocols. They leverage machine learning to automate responses to threats, significantly reducing time from detection to action. In summary, adopting AI agents in security and risk management is about building a resilient, intelligent defense system. As we navigate this complex landscape, understanding the capabilities and implications of AI agents is essential. Are you ready to secure the future with intelligence? Explore how you can implement AI-driven security solutions in your organization. Embrace the change and lead the way in fostering a secure digital environment. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.